Here we go. Let's get in as safely as possible. Again, I don't know why they do this, but some of these entrances, it'll allow 2 cars to get in when they have the lights on, like the red and the green. Right? So when it turns green, on some of them, 2 cars can go through, and on some of them, only 1 car can go through at a time when the meter is on. Whoever comes up with the rules on that, I have no idea, but it's very confusing because sometimes people don't read the sign, and then it's anyone's game what happens, right? It's anyone's game. Who do we have? David Guetta. We have Titanium.
Likey